This is the best part. They predict those.
I said.
Every single tactician has to say go or no go for logic. Any one of them can stop it.
Guidance systems from 12, 11, 10, 9. Ignition sequence starts.
We got an earthquake! What is coming? Ah!
3, 2, 1.
Go!
Engines running.
Definitely not an earthquake, buddy.
Liftoff. We have liftoff.
No.